Hey, can you fit a folding bike in the back of your Prius? No, I can fit 2 folding bikes in the back of my Prius, and one of them is a cargo e-bike. These are the Retrospec Judd bikes, lightweight micro-mobility bikes. This is the regular Judd, which is a standard bike with the coaster brake that weighs just over 22 pounds, super lightweight, and can fit a wide range of heights as well. I did a full review of this bike elsewhere you can find on YouTube, but this is a real-time unfolding video, so I'm not going to edit anything here. That's me. I've snapped it together, I've unfolded the pedals, I set the handlebar height and the seat height, and I'm ready to ride. Next up is the Retrospec Judd Rev 2, which is their electric folding e-bike. This is a 40-pound bike before I put the basket on it. The basket is an accessory. So this is a 40-pound folding e-bike with a 36-volt, 10-amp-hour battery and class 2, so it's got a throttle and pedal assist. I'm struggling a little bit with this strap I put on it myself to keep it together in the car, so you can't blame them for that. That's my own struggles, but this is how long it takes to unfurl it once I've unstrapped the strap. It comes out like that, and then the hinge, the wires run through the hinge, so I have to make sure that I'm not pinching any wires before I lock that hinge down, just to kind of make sure the wires go in their hole. And other than that, it's just like the other bike to put together. You snap the hinge together, put your kickstand down, and then set up your handlebar, to set it to your desired handlebar height. Now on this one, you have to rotate the handlebars also, like that, to get your brake levers in the proper position. They fold down, or they roll forward so that they fold up smaller, and then set your seat height, and you are ready to roll on the Retrospec Judd Rev 2 electric folding cargo bike, and that basket is an accessory that's optional. And for comparison, my Mihogo 1 750-watt bike weighs about 85 pounds and takes up the whole back of the car. So you really got to think about how much bike you need. 20 miles an hour versus 28 miles an hour. And then just how hard is it going to be for your spine when you're taking it out of the car every time you go somewhere? And how much room do you need for luggage? And you want to be able to fit 2 bikes in your car instead of 1. So if you're interested in learning more about these, use the link in the description. It'll help me out. Probably will help you out too. I'll try to get you the best deal I can. That is the Retrospec Judd folding bicycle single speed and the Retrospec Judd single speed folding e-bike.